Welcome to pickupmyparts.com, a solution designed for automotive parts returns. Are you tired of looking at that pile of returns stacked up in the corner of the shop or the parts sitting on the shelves waiting to go back to the dealer for credit? For far too long, the returns process has been a necessary but often frustrating part of running an auto body shop or mechanical repair facility. It's simple, really. To fix a vehicle, shops need parts. However, after those parts are ordered, they're not always used. Whether those parts were not needed, the wrong parts were delivered, or parts showed up damaged, they need to be returned quickly. Those returns are literally dollars sitting in a shop corner or on a shelf. We recognize this long-standing headache of dealing with returns. The process of returning parts and getting the credit back has been a cumbersome and frustrating ordeal for far too long. The time has come for pickupmyparts.com, a simple, streamlined web solution for a shop to quickly submit multiple pickup requests to any dealer or supplier. With returns email notifications sent directly to those dealers or suppliers, and a full management platform for maintaining the parts going out or coming in, pickupmyparts.com makes returns a breeze. Pickupmyparts.com will launch early this year. Visit pickupmyparts.com for more information, or email info@pickupmyparts.com.